Let's be honest, most home service businesses live in a feast or famine cycle. Ads are expensive, BNI is slow, and word of mouth alone isn't predictable. That's where Contractor Automated comes in. We've built a system that connects you with the exact professionals who can consistently send you jobs. Realtors, insurance adjusters, property managers, contractors, and more. The people already inside homes, already working with your ideal clients. Here's how it works. Every month, we personally make over 400 targeted outreach calls in your market. When we find qualified partners, we book warm 10-minute intro calls directly on your calendar. You just show up, make the connection, and start building long-term referral relationships. Most clients see results within the first round of calls. By month 2 or 3, ROI compounds as partners keep sending referrals over and over again. The offer is simple: an affordable flat rate per month, no setup fee, no long-term contract, satisfaction guaranteed. Contractor Automated isn't just a marketing service. It's the missing piece for home service businesses who want steady referrals, recurring revenue, and predictable growth. Ready to lock down your territory? Let's make it happen. Visit contractorautomated.com to sign up today.